Decoding the phrase ad group in English. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we're going to dive into the phrase ad group. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also where and how it's commonly used. Let's jump right in. Ad group consists of two words. 1. Ad, short for advertisement. It refers to a promotional message aimed at publicizing something, like a product, service, or event. 2. Group, a number of things or persons being in proximity to one another or classed together. When combined, ad group typically refers to a collection or group of ads that share a set of targeting criteria and are used for a common objective in advertising platforms. Ad group is frequently used in digital marketing and online advertising platforms. For instance, if a company is running an online ad campaign for its new product line, it might have separate ad groups for each product. Each ad group can contain multiple individual ads tailored to that specific product. Understanding the concept of an ad group is essential for those who delve into online marketing. Here's why. 1. Organization. Ad groups allow advertisers to organize their ads based on themes, products, or target audience. 2. Budgeting. It can help in allocating budgets efficiently. Different ad groups might have different budgets based on their importance or expected return. 3. Performance tracking. By grouping ads, it becomes easier to track their performance and make necessary adjustments. And that's a wrap on ad group. We hope this video has shed light on the term and its importance in the realm of digital marketing. Remember, every term you learn brings you one step closer to mastering the English language. Happy learning!